pack your bags, let's take a ride. 5 minutes flat and we'll explore the wide with Forrest Kelly. It's travel time. It's the best 5-minute travel podcast. Let's go!
But now it's done. And in between, I was traveling already. So you don't have to fix it perfectly, right?
Yeah.
You just fix parts and next year you fix the next part. But that was after 2 years, I realized, hey, I can do that. And then I got into my car and went on a 5-month trip all over Europe and enjoyed it.
You were writing about the entire trip?
I did, and I founded another blog. So I've got one with just my diary on it and one which is made for other persons who are traveling alone, traveling old cars, who want to be like slow travelers. So that blog really works pretty well, and I got a lot of cooperations with it. So that blog earns money. I still can't believe it.
Your website is what is the web address?
So for the blog I just mentioned, that's Bulli Reisen. Reisen is traveling.eu. And then I'm building a new website at the moment, which is just romana.rocks.
So it's Romana, R-O-M-A.
Romana, ROMANA.rocks.
R-O-C-K-S.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one of these new endings. I think that's cool.
So that's the whole website? Romana.rocks?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so it's not .com.
No, that's .rocks. Yeah.
.rocks, okay.
That's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I have to. I had my English writing channel on it, but I have to redo it right now. So at the moment, it's just a mess.
Right. Yeah. You'll get it figured out, though. How many books have you written? 10,
and just finished number 11, which is my second novel. And I just finished the layout. Layouting is the thing I don't like very much. I like the writing better, but it has to.
Oh, the layout is what catches the eye, and then the words will keep you there.
Yeah.
And then what are some of the other ranges of books? You've got a book on astrology.
Yeah, I am an astrologer. I studied it for 3 years on the astrological school in Salzburg. So from that day on, my dream was to write an astrological cookbook, because I know as an astrologer that different signs, they eat differently. They want to have their meal in different surroundings. And I wanted to write a book with recipes in it where, for example, and here we have to be clear that we don't talk about the star sign, but the sign in which the moon is located. That persons, for example, with the moon in Aries, they are fast eaters and they never have time, right? They are like fire. And so you wouldn't get them to the table and then make them wait for an hour. They don't like that. So, and stuff like that I put into the book, and recipes from all over the world. Vegetarian recipes, of course. So people really loved it, as it's the only book on the German market at the moment with this content.
Wow, that's that's a different angle that you've got, and you have tested all of these recipes out, and you've tested these philosophies and things.
Yeah, we did a very strict plan. I had a photographer for the food, because food photography is a real tricky thing, and she came over for a Sunday, and I had to cook the whole course, so the whole meal, 4 courses and a cocktail, and she took the pictures. And as you can imagine, for taking pictures, you always need much more food than you would need for just 2 persons. So when we were done, we always had friends coming over, up to 8 people, and eat all the stuff I cooked all day.
We've touched down and landed. The episode's done with 5 quick minutes of travel and fun.